Good morning to all the students. I am Shubhangi Gondani from Mechanical Engineering Department, and today we study about the introduction of the stepper motor. The content of this PPT is introduction of stepper motor, principle of stepper motor, classification, system, advantages and applications. So introduction. A stepper motor, also known as a step motor or stepping motor, is a brushless DC electric motor that divides a full rotation into a number of equal steps. A standard motor will have a step angle 1.8 degree with 200 steps per revolution. So this is the diagram which is related to the stepper motor. This is a rod and this is a gear which is connected. The principle of the stepper motor. The operation of this motor works on the principle that unlike pole it attracts each other and like poles repel each other. When the starter winding are exacted with the DC supply, it produces a magnetic flux and establish a north and south poles. This is a classification of the stepper motor. The types of the stepper motor, that is a variable reluctance stepper motor, permanent magnetic stepper motor, hybrid stepper motor, single track vibration reluctance motor and multi-track vibration reluctance motors. So permanent magnet motor. The permanent magnet motor use a permanent magnet in order and operate on the attractive or repulsive between the rotor PM and the starter electromagnet. So this is the diagram in which the electromagnets are connected with respect to N and S pole and the rotor connected N and S pole. So N and S is comes together, and in this direction on right hand side N and S are come together. So variable reluctance motor. The variable reluctance motor have a plain iron and operated based on the principle that minimum reluctance occur with minimum gap. Hence the motor point are attracted towards the starter magnet pole. So this is a diagram which is related to the motor operated. The rotor stop iron silent, the pole after the low reluctance of the magnetic. So this is the various point in which the magnetic coil is connected and there is a gap between rotor so that the reluctance is occurred. Hybrid motor. It is a combination the quality of variable reluctance motor and the permanent motor. The hybrid motor has come of the desirable features of each. Normally they exhibit a step angle 0.9 to 5 degree. The system of the stepper motor. The stepper motor system consists of three basic elements, often combined with some types of users interface, that is the indexer, divisor and stepper motors. The indexer is a microprocessor capable of generating the step pulse and direction signal for the driver. In addition, the indexer is a typical required to perform many other sophisticated common functions. The divisor converts the indexer component signal into the power necessary to energize the motor winding. Not all the drives are suitable to run all the motors. Stepper motor. The stepper motor is an electromagnetic device that converts the digital pulse into the mechanical shaft rotation. Advantages of step motor are low cost, high reliability, high torque at low speed and in simple in construction. The advantages, that is a low cost for control achieve, high torque at startup and low speed, readiness, simplicity of construction, can operate in open loop control system, low maintenance, less likely to slip, will work any environment, can be used in robotics in wide scale, high reliability. The application of the stepper motor is used for previous position with the motor like hard disk drive, robotics telescope and some toys. The industrial machines. The stepper motor are used in automotive gauges and machine tooling, automated production equipment. Security. New surveillance product for the security to the industry. Medical. The stepper motor are used inside the medical scanner, sampler and also found inside the digital dental photography. So this is all about the stepper motor. Now in next PPT we study about the DC motor. Thank you.